everyone, you are watching the Bharat and I am Divya presenting today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headlines first. Understand the Kanjawala case incident in two parts, before and after the accident, as well as many questions. Wake up call needed to wake up Europe, Jaishankar gave advice in the Veena. CM Dhami inaugurated the state-level youth festival, said this special thing about the brand ambassador. Warm reception for the Indian hockey team in the Rourkela. Hockey captain Harmanpreet said it was not expected. Now news in detail. In Delhi's Kanjawala incident, the manner in which a young woman was dragged by the accused in a car for more than 13 kilometers in a car has shaken the whole country. As the investigation of the case is progressing, many new revelations are happening. After the statement of the friend of the deceased, the only eyewitness of this whole case, a new debate was started in the matter. The Indian Meteorological Department has forecast dense fog and the severe cold condition over northwest India for the next 4-5 days. Due to fog and cloudy days, chill was felt in most of the part of Punjab, parts of Haryana, parts of Chandigarh, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar on Tuesday, the Meteorological Department said. According to the IMD's forecast, cold wave will continue in northwest India for the next 3 days. Only after these people will get some relief. P Transport Corporation will run 2,800 additional buses for the Prayagraj Magh Mela to be held in January-February. Apart from this, additional 80 buses will also be run for the nearly pilgrimage center. For this, MD Sanjay Kumar has allotted area-wise buses. According to the MD, a huge crowd is likely to gather on the occasion of the Mauni Amavasya and the Basant Panchami's bath in the fair. In such a situation, the main focus will be on operation from January 20 to January 27. Now some international news. Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar gave advice to the European countries on Tuesday amid Austria tour. In an interview in Vienna, he advised Europe on the new world order, the Ukraine war and the challenges from the China. Along with this, said the Europe need a wake-up call to understand the shaken world order. He said that Europe only wants to develop in its region and want to stay away from international problem as far as possible. Elon Musk has made a shocking disclosure on Tuesday. He has said that the US government had demanded the closure of about 2.5 lakh accounts. These accounts belong to the journalists, Canadian officials. Musk disclosed this on Twitter files which were made public by the journalist Matt Taibbi. According to the report, journalist Matty Taibbi revealed the growing pressure from the US government on Twitter to reduce Russian interference on Twitter and work closely with the US Congress. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा, इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome back to the Bharat. Moving ahead in the news, let's talk about some major news of Uttarakhand. CM Dhami said that the way the government of India celebrates the festival on the Vivekanand Jayanti, in the same way the government will celebrate the youth festival at the state and district level. Apart from this, he told that now the incentive amount for the Mangal Dal has been increased from 4,000 to 5,000. Chief guest of the state level youth festival, Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami, Sports Minister Rekha Arya, MLA Khajan Das jointly inaugurated it. So far, BF7 virus has not been confirmed in any case of corona in the state. Newly appointed Director General of Health Dr. Vinita Saha said that the new variant has not been confirmed in the genome sequencing of 14 samples. He said that the doctor working across the state would be given training to behave better with the patients. Director General Health Dr. Vinita Saha interacted with the media after the Mangalwar took charge. Now entertainment news. The trailer of the Abhay Deol's web series Trial by Fire has been released on the 1997 Delhi-based Upar Cinema fire incident. The trailer begins with several families laughing and playing, where the kids and several family members go to watch a movie only to die where a fire breaks out in the theater, in which the lost parents of their children are wandering from the door to door seek justice. Now sports news. The Hockey World Cup will begin in India from January 13. The final match of this tournament will be played on 29 January. The World Cup match will be held in Bhubaneswar and Rourkela, the capital of Odisha. The Indian hockey team under the leadership of Captain Harmanpreet Singh has reached Rourkela 10 days before the start of the tournament. There the fans have given a warm welcome to the Indian team. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the Bharat.